What's up? What's up, dope getters?
We motivated, got motivation. We motivated, got motivation. We motivated, got motivation.
What's up, dope getters? So I know y'all ain't seen me on camera in a while. I know y'all been, where you go? What happened? So actually, I ran out of memory in my phone. It's okay, but I got a new phone now, so I'm back on camera, and here we go with another one. So today I'm gonna actually show you guys how to DIY your own hang tags. I know a lot of you out there been going to the Dope Getter site, ordering your merch, getting your business started, and you know you want to brand everything. Remember I did the past video about branding. So now since you want to brand everything, you want to put your own hang tag. So today I'm gonna show you how to do it yourself so you can start branding all your merchandise, getting your name out there, and jumpstarting your business. Hey, but before we get into all that, what I'm gonna need y'all to do, I need y'all to stop right now, turn on them notifications, hit that subscribe button, because you don't want to miss out. I got more videos for you. In my next video, I'm gonna actually show you how to put the price on the hang tags, make it look really professional. It's really cheap, really easy, and it'll be simple to do. All right, so now we got that out the way, let's get right into it. So you will need a few supplies before you get started, so I'm gonna show you everything you need. You're gonna need something for your tags to hang from, which I use this stretchy cord here. I got it from Hobby Lobby. And then I also have this nylon cord here that I'm gonna use in a few different colors. Also, I have this like a yarn type of string here. You know, you have to use different materials for different clothing depending on what you're actually gonna tag. And then of course, you need one of these. And then of course, extra little hang tags, the little plastic ones. And then also for these, you're gonna need these little safety pin things, yeah. And now that you got all your supplies set up, now the first thing you need is your logo. Now don't tell me I don't got no logo, because that means you ain't been watching my videos. Because if you watch my past videos, I did 2 separate videos on how to get your own logo, how to do it yourself on your phone, and how to get it done through Fiverr. So if you haven't tuned into those videos, go back and watch those 2 videos, get your logo, and then come back to this video. But for those of you who already got the logo, we can go ahead and continue on. So the first thing you're gonna do something with your logo. You have to set it up in the size that you want your hang tags to be. I use a program that my computer has that's automatically does it for me. So let me show you how it's done right quick. So first what you wanna do is pull up your logo in whatever photo editing software you use. It could be Photoshop, Paint, whatever you use. So then you want to have it pulled up here. Then you want to go to the file options and you want to go to print. When you go to print, this box should pop up. If you don't have this box, you might want to check with a different program and see if the program has this compatible with it. Okay, so once you get into this option, you go ahead and scroll down. See, here it gives you different options for what size you want to print your pictures. So you will want to go to wallet size here. Click on wallet, and then you want to copies of each picture. You want to go ahead and do 9 because it's going to be 9 up. Now boom, you have a page full of tags. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go here and print to PDF. The reason you want to print to PDF is so that you can retain the sizing, the colors, everything on your document. So go ahead and do that. I'm gonna just save mine on the desktop. So after you do all that, you get your supplies together, you got your logo ready. So with that file, you can do one of 2 things. Either one, if you got a really good printer, you can get some cardstock, print some copies out yourself, done. Or you can do like I did. I went to Office Depot. You can go to Office Depot, FedEx, whatever close to you, and get it done. Get some printouts done on cardstock. Here, I do have my printouts of my hang tags here. And I did them in different sizes, as you can see. And if you don't know how to do it on your computer, if your computer can't do it, you can take the file to Office Depot. They can do it for you. They'll set it up. They'll set it up like this. They'll set it up like this. Or they'll set it up like this. It's just up to you what you want. It's not, don't make it hard. Work smarter, not harder. Okay, so y'all ready? The first step is we're gonna take this slide cutter and cut these down, okay? Cause I ain't got time. You gotta cut them down. So, once you cut down all your labels and you're ready to go, then you can go ahead and use your hole puncher and put your holes in your hang tags, okay? So you wanna go right in the middle, close as you can. Put a nice hole right there. You can see it too, right? Boom, bombastic, okay? And then we got this one, the little one. So I usually use the small one for glasses. And I usually use this one for like bags or hats or something else small. Sometimes I use the small one for hats too. And then I use this big one for like jackets and like bigger accessories. So I'm gonna go ahead and punch a hole in these two as well real quick. Let me see. That look about right. Boom, on that one. Got a nice hole. And then for this one, we're gonna put it right on the side. We're not gonna put that one in the middle. Boop. And there you have it, right in the corner. Okay, now your tag's ready to go. So we're gonna use each one of them. This one we're gonna put on our jumpsuit. This one we're gonna put on the jacket. And the two small ones we're gonna put on glasses and a hat. So let's do it. So we're gonna tie the glasses first. Okay, so I got my stretchy cord here. Like I said, I got it from Hobby Lobby. So I'll take a piece of it. We'll just use pink since it's already out. So take a piece of it, say about 2 inches maybe. And cut it off. Cut your piece. Then what you want to do is go ahead and feed it through the hole or a tag. Then what you do is you take the 2 ends here, right? And go ahead and tie that in a knot. Nice little knot. And then just pull it through. You don't want to make it too short, but you don't want to make it too long. And anything excess, you can always cut it. Like, see how mine has a little excess right there? We're going to cut it out. Ooh. Okay, now look how much cleaner that looks. Way cleaner and better. Okay, so now take our glasses. These some nice glasses here. So we just take the glasses, you just put it around the arm of the glasses. Yeah. This one has a thick thing, so I'm gonna just stick it through. But all you have to do is put one side through, see how that? Open the loop, and boom, there you have it. Tagged, okay, well, put it backwards, but you get the concept, it's on there. It's tagged, it's branded. Now when people get your glasses, they'll know it's from you. Okay, now let's tag our hat. You feel me? No, for real, okay. So with the hat, we're gonna do a slightly different concept. We're gonna tag it inside this little thingy, this little care tag that nobody cares about. Yeah, that's what we're putting the tag in. And on this one, we're gonna use the tagging gun. I didn't even say what it's called. It's called a tagging gun. It's called a tagging gun. Yeah, so make sure you put your tags in there first, because if you don't have tags, it's not gonna go. Okay, make sure you got those in there real good. Then you're gonna take your tag, put it through here, get your hat, go inside of the little care tag, push it through, and bam, there you have it. Nice and tagged, ready to go, okay? Let's move on to the next one. So the next item is actually very similar. It's gonna be this women's jumpsuit. So what you wanna do is you wanna take it, get it right in the seam right there. You see that seam? Get right in there. So once again, take your tagging gun, put it in there, get right up in that seam. Sometimes you can either get in the seam of the neck or you can get under the arm. It doesn't matter, but you nice and tagged. The last item will be our jacket or windbreaker that we're gonna tag. So we're not gonna put, since this is very delicate and there's really nowhere you can really put this, we're not even gonna use this. Let's move it out the way. We're gonna use this. This is where this is gonna come in handy, our yarn string. So we're gonna take a piece of our yarn string, cut it, right? Then we're gonna head and do just like with the glasses string. We're gonna tie a little knot here, right? Then what you wanna do is you take your hang tag, right? Put the loop through the hole here, right? And once you feed it through, go ahead and pull the other side through so that it locks on there. See, like so. Okay, now that you got that all through there, it's all ready, set, go. Now this is where your trusty, handy, dandy safety pins are gonna come in. So you take the safety pin. I like these little round ones because they look a little fancier, a little, you know, a little better than regular ones. Take that, loop it around here, right? And then you're gonna take this and you're not gonna pin it on your jacket. You're not gonna damage the jacket. You're just gonna take like the zipper. Here, you see how the zipper have a hole? Go ahead and put that through the hole. Snap it in place and tag with no damage, okay? No damage to the garment. So now we got all our merch tagged and ready to go. We is ready to go. Now, if you don't want to do this yourself, you can, of course, get it from like a company like Got Print or Vista Print or something like that. Do it yourself is really no difference because I can show you here the difference. This is one I ordered from one of those popular websites, Vista Print, something like that, Got Print. And this is the one I made myself. Look at them. You cannot tell the quality difference. Like, what's the difference? So, if you want to do it yourself, just do it yourself. Save some money. I keep sheets of these on deck all the time, so if I get some new orders or some new merch, I can just bust down, make my hang tags, and now everything is already tagged and ready to go. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. Tune in again next time.